Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to my new video. This video concerns 3 Polish coins and it's been designated Animal Coin Hunt 52. Each of these bronze gold style coins have a animal on the reverse of them. On this side, as can be seen, this will be the same in all 3 coins, so I'm only going to show this side of this one. It's got the Polish eagle that's crowned. It's got the value and it's got the date, and the date on this one is 2001. On the reverse we have the European green lizard. Now the mintage for this 2009 coin, sorry, is it 2000 or was it 2007? I can't quite remember. This one is actually dated 2009 and you can see the date just underneath the eagle's claws there. This one is a green lizard, as I said. We have just done a reptile series not so long ago, which is the British Wildlife series. The green lizard wasn't part of them, but still a beautiful coin. Anyway, it's probably slightly better than the Guernsey coin that we saw. So that's the green lizard. The second of the 3 coins is this one here, and this one shows a grey seal. On the obverse side is the coat of arms, which of course is the crowned eagle. The mintage for this particular coin is just 1 million. The date is 2007. So that's the grey seal. And the final one is this one here. And the final one, which is this one here, is the owl, or the Eurasian eagle owl. This coin is from 2005. Again, it's 2 zloty, and the mintage is 990,000. So this is the lowest mintage of the 3 coins. Beautiful coin. I do like these when they're actually shown as if they were out in the wild. Unlike the Jersey 10p's that just had the particular animal and doesn't really show any of the surrounding area in which you're likely to find them. I think these are a lot better than the British ones I saw not so long ago. So those are the 3 coins. I might have to just come up a little bit now. There you go, there's the sun lizard. There's the seal. And there's the owl. These are all 2 zloty coins from different years. What do you think of this collection? Would you like to buy them for yourself, for your own collection? Let me just take that up a little bit. There we go. If you enjoyed this video, can you please give me a thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. Secondly, if you have yet to do so, could you think about subscribing? I'm currently aiming for 425 minimum and as near to 500 as possible by December the 31st this year. I'm in the late 270s at the moment, subscriber wise, so I'm a fair way off, but with your help I'll get to my tally of 425. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can find the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for staying to the end, and until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and bye bye. Ta-da now.